Here's a name you won't hear hyped on social media, but it should be. Matsui Securities is trading at a deep discount, and the market seems to be missing something big. At Insightful Value, we uncover overlooked companies with real financial strength, and today we're diving into a Japanese online brokerage that's quietly throwing off cash. This video is for informational and educational purposes only. Nothing here is financial advice. Matsui Securities is one of Japan's earliest internet-based securities firms, and they've carved out a lean, low-cost operation focused on individual investors. They don't try to be everything to everyone. They stick to what works: stocks, margin trading, and simple financial products with easy-to-use digital interfaces. Their business model is highly automated and low-touch, allowing them to maintain high margins compared to traditional brokerages. Despite fierce competition and a shift in investor behavior, Matsui remains consistently profitable. They recently reported operating margins over 30%, and their return on equity has stayed comfortably in the double digits. Revenue has taken a small dip due to lighter trading volume across Japan, but their cost base remains low, keeping profitability intact. Net income last year came in strong, and the company remains free cash flow positive. Now here's where it gets interesting. Matsui has zero debt and a huge pile of cash. That gives them the flexibility to reinvest, return capital to shareholders, or weather any volatility in the market. In fact, they're already doing that through generous dividends, with a yield north of 4% and a consistent payout track record. They've also announced share buybacks, which signals confidence from management and reduces the float. Great for long-term shareholders. So why is the stock price lagging? The broader Japanese market hasn't rewarded smaller financials recently, and retail trading activity has cooled off from its pandemic highs. But none of that changes Matsui's fundamentals. They've stayed disciplined, avoided overexpansion, and stuck to a digital-first model that's scalable and cost-effective. Their platform continues to improve, adding features for ease of use and targeting younger investors with simple mobile interfaces. While other brokers chase institutional clients or burn cash on new verticals, Matsui is just quietly making money. From a value perspective, the stock is currently trading at a low earnings multiple, well below both its historical average and the sector median. That kind of setup, solid financials, no debt, cash-rich balance sheet, high dividends, and low valuation, is classic Insightful Value material. At Insightful Value, we specialize in breaking down companies like Matsui that don't make headlines but do deliver results. We explain the strategy, the numbers, and the opportunity without the fluff or technical lingo. If you want to make smarter investment decisions and get ahead of the herd, check out insightfulvalue.com. You'll find real analysis on companies most investors overlook. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to this channel and head over to insightfulvalue.com for more ideas like this one.